but what you'll see is the accents around this color. And also too, I do like the fact that Samsung is actually, spelt out in black, of black versus silver. So there we have it. We have everything in one frame. Hi everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we will be unboxing more colors of the brand new Galaxy Z Fold5 and the Galaxy Z Flip5, along with another color of the brand new Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So in this video, I'm really just going to compare all of these colors together. I have already unboxed the icy blue color of the Galaxy Z Fold5. I've also unboxed the mint color of the Galaxy Z Flip5. So both of these videos are below this one inside the description. And then we can also do a little comparison versus what the cream color would look like. This one over here for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is silver. And we will also do a little comparison with the color of black. So in this way, you'd be able to really take a look at several of the different colors. Now there's quite a few colors that I am missing. So when it comes down to the Galaxy Z Fold5, you have the options of gray, blue, black, cream, and icy blue. Now I do have three of them here, which is icy blue, cream, as well as the regular blue. Now the Z Flip5 has several additional colors. This one will come in gray, blue, green. You also have yellow, graphite, lavender, cream, and mint. Now the ones I'll be showing with the Z Flip5 is going to be, I believe I have a lavender upstairs. It's the Z Flip 4, but it's going to be pretty much the same color, so I can show off the lavender of that one. This one right here is mint, and now the one inside of the box over here is green. And I'm excited to see the green color. So again, if you wanted to see both of these unboxed separately, which is basically the same thing, it just kind of depends on which color you would like to watch. I will be placing those additional links below the video inside the description. So again, I've already unboxed the mint color as well as icy blue, and also the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic Black. So we're just going to open these ones up and take a look and compare all of the different colors. So first up is going to be the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So with this one again, I went with the color of blue. Now the other one that we have is icy blue, so it's just going to be a slightly different shade, but it's going to be fun to kind of compare a couple of the different colors right here underneath the light, that we have provided. Now just remember, inside of this little area, this little cutout box right here, this is where you'll be able to find your SIM card popper, the quick start guide, as well as your Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So don't forget to make sure you open this, take a look inside of it before you throw it away. Now the other side is just simply going to be the fold itself. So let's pop this one open. And so this one right here, this is the color blue. So this is, a slightly different color shade than what we see here. So, I mean, they are, fairly close, but I'm trying to see, if we can kind of get some really good angles here so you can kind of see the fold differences. Now getting a closer look at these two colors, so this one's icy blue, this is regular blue, and one of the things that I'm noticing is, yes, this one over here is more blue than this one. This one's a lighter blue, obviously it's a icy blue. This one's kind of like a matte blue finish, it looks really nice, but what you'll see is the accents around this color. So with icy blue, around the camera module is icy blue as well, and then around the phone is either going to be kind of like this like icy bluish, kind of like titanium color, as you can see here. So it kind of matches a little bit of the phone, kind of looks a little silver, icy bluish color. This one over here kind of has that graphite color, maybe like not so much black, not really like a matte black thing. I guess it is more like graphite. Same thing with this hinge. So the hinge over here is going to be a slightly different color. So you can see here that with the icy blue, you're going to have a lighter hinge than what you will with this blue here. So I really like the contrast of how this one looks when you kind of go between the front and the back and you take a look at the camera module. So yeah, that's going to be the differences between your icy blue and blue. Now, when you take a look at the bottom, again, you can just kind of see the difference. This one's more of a matte color. It's not really glossy. It's not shiny. This one over here with the icy blue is definitely shiny. You can kind of see the light over here. So if I was to kind of move these around, you can see the glare on the left-hand side, but there really isn't on the right hand. So if you're looking for one that's kind of more of a matte color, one that kind of has a better contrast between a couple different colors involved, definitely take a look at the blue color. Now we're heading over to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So this one over here is going to be green. So the one that I'm able to compare it here with will be the color of the mint color. So we'll basically have green, mint, and I'll also go grab lavender. Now again, inside of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 case, make sure you take this out, you open it up. Inside of there is again going to be your SIM card popper, the Type-C to Type-C charging cable, as well as the quick start guide. And then on this other end is just going to be your Z Flip 5. So let's take a look. Let's see what color. Ooh, look at that green. And this is what we've got for the green color. So to put this one to perspective and compare versus mint, you can kind of see a little bit of the difference between the two. Kind of a similar thing when it comes down to the hinge. So you can kind of see that the hinge with this green here is going to be a little bit more of that graphite color. This one over here is kind of more of a silver color. So I guess if you kind of go for, I don't know, this one over here, this mint color, this lighter color, it's going to have a lighter hinge. When it comes down to this little bit darker color, little darker shade, you're going to have the darker hinge. So again, very, very similar of a story that comes with this over here with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Again, we have icy blue, blue, here is mint, here is green. We also have cream. Let me come right back with the color of lavender. And then here we are with the color of lavender. So you can definitely see that this one is the Z Flip 4. I mean, there's so much area that is just missing. I mean, there's just nothing going on. You can see that the hinge is actually quite a bit bigger now here, or at least more, I guess, stable, probably a much better, again, improved hinge. This one was a little bit shiny. You know, if you kind of go through and you take a look at it, this is going to be that shiny, just regular titanium type color. This one over here is going to be kind of like a graphite grayish type color. It's not going to have the same, you know, shimmer and shine that you would see from the other over here, the Flip 4. Here we are again. So again, this one is going to be slightly different when it comes down to the shade of the hinge. And also too, I do like the fact that Samsung is actually, you know, spelt out in black. I think it looks a lot better than this like shinier or kind of like a whitish shiny type color. But yeah, you know, I mean, the contrast right there is just fantastic. So far, when it kind of comes down to the flips and the folds, I am more of a fan when it comes down to the regular, more solid colors versus kind of like the brighter ones. So again, icy blue, this one is mint. This one right here is just regular blue and just regular green. So looking at all of the hinges just all together, I mean, there's quite a few differences. This one's kind of like a really shiny, bright, kind of white, you know, written word Samsung right there. This is that icy blue. This is the regular blue. Again, looks more grayish, graphite type color with the black name of Samsung. And again, over here, here is that mint, here is green. You can see the difference with the hinge. And then same thing over here with the Flip 4. So I don't know exactly what the Flip 5 would be of lavender, but at least this color right here should be very, very close to what they would offer. And again, you can just take a look at these hinges, how they kind of differ just a little bit. And now for the final open, this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This color here is going to be the silver color. I'm able to compare this one versus the color of black. Inside of here again is going to be your quick start guide. You just pull this thing out. So it's your quick start guide along with the charging cable itself. It's that wireless magnetic charger that's inside of here. So that's how you're able to charge the watch. This one is just going to be coming just like this. And then you just want to put your band on. So the band that I got is the D-Buckle Hybrid Eco Leather Band. Again, these ones just come with the one-click quick release band straps. So this one is the 47mm watch, and this right here is going to be a 20mm band. Now, if you've never put bands on a watch before, this longer piece, the one that would normally have the holes, will go on the bottom. And then this one right over here with the clip is going to be on the top. And then because I am right-handed, this is going to go on my left wrist. So I'm going to have my buttons on the right-hand side. Now getting a closer look at this band right here, you can see the size is medium large. There's the quick release button. And over here, let you know that it is 20 millimeters. Now for this band and buckle, once you get this one just kind of propped open, you basically just kind of push your band through this little hole. You place it where you want it to be for the size of your wrist, and then you push down for it to lock in. Then all you do, you'll place this on your wrist, and then it snaps on. And so now what you're looking at is just a little, comparison on the wrist of black versus silver. Now for a closer view, here you are, you'll be able to see both of them side by side, black as well as silver. Now, if you are interested in what this is right here, I will be doing a standalone review of this case, just because this one is mostly just comparing all of the colors. So there we have it. We have everything in one frame. We have cream. We also have icy blue. We have blue. This is where we have mint, green, lavender, and then for the watches, for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, 47 millimeter with the 20 millimeter bands, you have black as well as silver. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, I will be linking all of these below the video inside the description. Depends if you get them during pre-order or after it's officially launched. I do have exclusive Samsung links that are officially from Samsung that usually saves you a little bit more money rather than just going to the website of Samsung.com itself. So again, if you're interested, click on those links below the video inside the description. Also, let me know which of these colors are your favorite, which device you might be looking at, which one you already got, which one you may be getting in the future, which phone you have right now. Any comment that you have, just let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.